Hi, today's short presentation is about how to present with the PowerPoint coach. So basically, you can do now rehearsal with a coach, and I'm going to use that tool with the PowerPoint presentation as well about how to present as well. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. So what you do to make your presentation first, then after that, you will go to slideshow and there is an option there, rehearse with the coach. Okay, you can do a lot of settings. I'm avoiding it, but we do started with the body language as well. So because I got a camera, I can go at the back and set this up. So, and then I click on present and I'm going to say, I want to rehearse with the coach. We'll see at the end what are the features we get, but I want to play it first. So let's do this one. Hi everyone, I'm doing an exciting presentation on rehearse with the PowerPoint coach sponsored by our J4X and International Copier Centre Australia, ICCA. Let's get going. Ideally, I should have a presenter in my hand. And I am today going to talk about 5+5 piece of public presentation. All right, we need a camera access because it need to watch my body as well. And I'm gonna turn off from here. I'm gonna allow it here so you can see as well. And in this presentation, you will see it's giving you that you're gonna use PowerPoint presenter coach as you rehearse. Will give you feedback about you are presenting. At the end, you will see a numerical summary and our suggestion. So it will give you live suggestions as well. See, it's watching my body language as well. I'm going in a distance. So it's saying more closer to the screen. Okay, move closer to the screen so it can observe. The first P is start with the every presentation you do, it should have to have a purpose. And that purpose shows some passion. Because without your passion, the presentation will become dull. All right. As everything else in the study, you need to plan it. Plan includes how you want to present. It could be a public speak, you're going to use PowerPoint, and you're going to use some live models, demonstration. That's all about plan. You can convey your message many ways, and that includes in a planning session. Once you plan what you want to do, the next step is prepare it. Preparing means you need to, if it's a speech, you need to write it up. If it's a presentation, you need to design a presentation. For presentation also, you need to write it up. All your public appearance, you need to write the script. All right. And once you prepare it, the most important step is practice. That's the fourth P. Practice, practice, practice until you feel like it's in you. And that's where your confidence will come. You naturally feel relaxed because the memory part is gone. All the tools are working. So, and obviously the fifth and the last step, this is a party time, present. Presentation can be a performance. It can be your presentation. It can be a stage, class, whatever. You're going to present your performance there. And within that presentation, there is also 5 P's again. Let's look at those. Again, one thing is a passion. Passion will naturally come if the nervousness is gone. And the nervousness will be gone because you followed the previous 5 steps. So if you prepare well and you're passionate about your topic, the nervousness will not be there. You will enjoy it. And that should reflect with your body language. Your eyes should spark. Your language will be going good. And then one thing which is an extra thing we nowadays expected, learn how to perform, not to speak only. You know, monotone speaks, don't interact much. So you need to learn how to perform, how to use body language, gestures. And that should show your position on the floor. It also shows your posture as well. So there are more P's there, but use pause as a power. When you have importance in something to say, take a pause. When you are thinking about something, rather than saying and as, use pause. And pace your language as per the audience understanding. If you're using mic too close or you use big, huge, don't pace too much. If it's a closed circuit, you can speak very fast. It's okay. They will understand. Especially online, if you're doing, take a little bit, slow down a pace a little bit. And pitch is also very important as well. An important thing, you can make a little bit sound, increase the bass. When it's a very thing important, you want to say it right now, you are making it hurry. So your pitch is very important as well. And that's where I'm going to end this towards the projection and the pitch combinedly make impression, make a performance. For example, today is a very hot day. Today is a very, very hot day. So you're projecting to showing the importance of thing. Similarly, if you want to show emotions, you say, you can load on the page, say, look, it's a very sad day that I lost my dearest friend. So this is acting off your sound along with your rest of the body. So let's about the end of it, and let's see what the coach said to me, as you saw live as well. So it's giving me your, I spent 4 minutes and 37 seconds. I prepared 12 slides, presented 12 slides, and it's saying, look, I use this too many times, which is called filler words or crunch words, pause or take a breath to relax. Some filler words to be wider. I did say to show you that the and is now good. You know, I use many times, I think. Repetitive language, I use very a lot. So that's a very good to make aware, because you can use again and again to see. The pace is pretty much on the track. If you go above 50, it's very fast. And the average speed over the time, you can see that. And this will also pronunciation. All right. So they're working on it. Pitch is going up and down. And low pitch variation will make your audience lose interest. So you need to increase your pitch. It shows excitement. Body language, eye contact, keep your gaze forward. So it means I was a little bit away. That's the limitation I find myself about this tool, because it can't do from the distance, where it's assuming that I'm only doing webcam, but I want to test it with the real audience as well. Originality means I'm not reading from text, because there was no text. I try not to use it. And distance, keep a consistent distance. Clear view, keep it away, because I was a little bit away. It means it's expecting me to be here. But how can I show my hand gesture with that? So that's the limitation of the tool. You can rehearse again. Otherwise, that's from my side. Now I'm open for your feedback about this tool. What do you think? Will you use it? And give your comments as well. I'm going to stop the recording. Okay.